I'm going to start today's video off with this story. Does this sound familiar? It's 11 p.m. on a school night. You're about to go to bed. You have 3 editing projects that are all due tomorrow. You told yourself you were going to finish 2 of them today at least. So far today, you've laid in bed, scrolled on your phone, ate some food, and done nothing else. Now, you're going on Discord and appearing offline so that the clients don't message you about where your video is. If this sounds familiar, I think we've all been there early on in our careers. And this is an example of not having a work-life balance. An example of not knowing how to balance your video editing along with other parts of your life. This kills a lot of video editing careers and reputations. And today, I'm going to teach you everything I know about how to maintain a perfect work-life balance / work-life separation. It's a very important topic that these two are separate because your work should not be your life. Your work should be a big part of your life, but your work is not your life. I repeat, your work is not your life. Now, without further ado, let's hop into the video. Some context on my experience and background. My name is Colin. I'm a 19-year-old full-time video editor making a full-time living off of my craft, and I've had the pleasure to work with many large clients in the gaming space who are very well known, and they're all pretty cool guys. But enough of that, let's get more into the video. Work-life balance is a topic that's often neglected but essential for our well-being as professionals. As seasoned video editors, we understand the exhilarating yet demanding nature of our craft. But amidst all of our work and chaos and deadlines, it's important to carve out time for yourself. You are a person at the end of the day, and you need to treat yourself like one, not like a robot or a machine. First, we're going to talk about defining work-life balance. Work-life balance is the equilibrium, or should I say, common ground between professional responsibilities and personal fulfillment, where neither aspect overshadows the other. Think about the times in your life where you felt overwhelmed by your work or neglected personal commitments just to get the video done. I'm sure we've all been there, whether it's ignoring family members, not going out with friends, or even just not getting exercise. Perhaps there were times you even missed out on an important event or felt disconnected from loved ones, and that's something we don't want in our professional lives. And achieving work-life balance is not just about avoiding burnout. It's about nurturing a sense of fulfillment and well-being that enriches every aspect of our lives. Next, we're going to talk about the perils of imbalance. The consequences of neglecting work-life balance can be severe. Trust me, I've been there. Having a lack of work-life balance often leads to burnout, deteriorating mental health, and strained relationships, whether that be with your family, friends, or even your clients. Being burnt out isn't just feeling tired or stressed. It's a state of constant exhaustion that affects every aspect of your life. Consider the toll that overworking has taken on your mental health and even physical health. Have you experienced moments of exhaustion, irritability, or apathy towards your work? I know sometimes when I get in a very stressed mood, I can be kind of explosive towards others, and I really don't mean to be that way. It's something I've worked on over time, but you know, being overstressed and overpressured can put you in very bad and unhealthy mindsets. If you're experiencing any of the signs I just talked about, these are all signs that your work-life balance may be out of sync. Next, we're going to talk about establishing boundaries. Setting boundaries is essential for maintaining work-life balance. It means defining clear limits between our professional responsibilities and personal time and sticking to them. Without personal boundaries, it's easy for work to bleed into every aspect of our lives. Think about specific boundaries you can set to protect your personal time. This could include establishing dedicated work hours, turning off notifications after a certain time, or setting aside specific days for leisure activities like going out with friends, going out into nature, or even just taking a fat nap. Enforcing these boundaries requires clear communication with clients, collaborators, and employers. It's about asserting your needs while maintaining professionalism and integrity in your work. As both humans and video editors, time is our most valuable resource, and optimizing our workflow is key to maximizing productivity while maintaining work-life balance. This means mastering keyboard shortcuts, leveraging automation tools, and adopting efficient editing techniques that minimize wasted time and effort. Reflect on the areas of your workflow that could be streamlined for greater efficiency. Are there repetitive tasks that could be automated? An example of this could be making your own presets. Do you have clients who you're working with consistently and doing the same animations over and over? Make a preset. It'll save you hours, I promise. By optimizing our workflow, we not only free up time for personal pursuits, but also enhance our creative output and job satisfaction as well as client satisfaction. Next, let's talk about building a supportive network. This is something I didn't learn about until the last year, and it's changed my life. Surrounding ourselves with people who understand and support our goals can provide invaluable encouragement, guidance, and perspective. Think about anyone who's ever supported you on your journey as a video editor. It felt pretty great, didn't it? It's also important to be that person for others. Be nice to people in your community and make genuine connections. Right before this video ends, I just want to interrupt here and say that if you're interested in having a one-to-one call with me where we could talk about me coaching you and bringing your business to the next level and teaching you everything I know, feel free to book a free call with me via my Twitter. The link is in my bio. Thank you so much, and let's get back to the video. Next, we have the importance of embracing flexibility and adaptability. Flexibility is the cornerstone of work-life balance, allowing us to adapt to changing circumstances and priorities without sacrificing our well-being. It's about recognizing that life is going to be unpredictable. Your schedule may not always work out the way you planned, and you need to learn to be okay with that and to adapt. Reflect on moments when you've had to adapt. How did you do it? Were you able to? Were you not able to? If you are not able to, this is a sign that you are overworking yourself and need to work on your work-life balance. As we conclude today's video about work-life balance for video editors, I encourage you to reflect on the insights and strategies we've discussed. Remember, achieving balance is an ongoing journey that requires self-awareness, intentionality, and a willingness to prioritize your well-being. And please, all of you watching, take actionable steps towards integrating these practices into your life, even starting today, whether it's setting boundaries, practicing self-care, or optimizing your workflow. Every small change you make contributes to a greater version of yourself and your business. Thank you for joining me for today's video. I hope you got some free value. And until next week's video, stay safe, drink some water, and good luck grinding.